Hi guys, today we're going to work on page 38 in handwriting. And remember, it's a good idea after you watch me do something to go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and do that line yourself and then replay. Okay, we're going to work on lowercase h on page 38, and lowercase h has 4 steps. It's an undercurve, a curve back, slant, undercurve, slant, undercurve. Well, that's 5 steps, or 6 really. So the first thing you should do is always just look at the steps where it says 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the gray box. So just like any of our other cursive letters, it starts at the bottom with an undercurve, a curve back, kind of like an L, and then a slant, and make sure that's a slant, and then over curve, slant, and end with that undercurve. Okay, so let's try a few. Undercurve, curve back, slant, over curve, slant, undercurve. Okay, let's trace the gray one. Undercurve, curve back, slant, over curve, slant, undercurve. Okay, now our goal is going to be to try to make our H's look just like this one and that one. So let's try a few. Undercurve, curve back, slant, over curve, slant, undercurve. All right, those look pretty good. Undercurve, curve back, slant, over curve, slant, undercurve. Starting at the dot. Just do a couple on this line unless you need extra practice. You can do as many as you'd like. Same with this line. Okay, just however many you feel like you should do in order to make it as good as you can. Let's get these gray ones at the end of the line traced. All right, so at the bottom of the page, we're going to work on writing the words he, the, wheel, and hut. And then we have a little bit of a challenge at the bottom. So like I said before, it's a good idea to look at each individual letter. H-E, H-E. He. Undercurve, curve back, slant, over curve, slant, undercurve right into that E, curve back, slant, undercurve. H-E spells he. These should be traced. The next word is very exciting. It's the word the, and we write that word a lot. So from now on, I want you to write the word the in cursive. T-H-E. and go back and cross the T. Go slowly because we still haven't mastered cursive, so we need to write it slowly. T, H, E. Cross that T. T, H, E. Cross that T. All right, the next word we're going to write is wheel. It has 5 letters. W-H-E-E-L. Wheel. W, H, E, E, L. Notice how all the letters and the whole word is kind of slanted that way. That is because if you're right-handed, your book should be slanted. W, H, E, E, L. Wheel. One more. Remember, you don't stop until the word is finished. The last word you're going to write is the word hut. H-U-T. H-U-T. And go back and check and make sure you did each individual letter correctly. H-U-T. The last 2 words we're going to write doesn't give us the example. It only gives us the example in manuscript. We have hill and white. Okay? So we're going to have to use what we already know to kind of figure it out. So take your time and think about it. H-I-L-L. Go slowly, but don't stop until you're finished with the word. I think it helps to say the letters out loud. H-I-L-L. Okay? The L's should look identical to each other. They should look like twins. And the last word we're going to write is white. Before I write the word white, I'm going to look up here at wheel and remember how I connected the W to the H, since it starts the same. W-H and then I-T-E. Okay, start at the bottom. W-H-I-T-E. Cross the T, dot the I, look at it and make sure it looks good to you. All right, good job.